Hi, welcome to another video. Hermes agent is blowing me away and it's officially time to talk about why it's leaving other agents in the dust. We've all been there, spending more time fixing broken updates than actually shipping code. But Hermes, this is the reliability king. While others ships a hodgepodge of random features, every Hermes release has theme, like the Tennessee release, where everything, the Kanban board, the goals, the memory, actually ties together in a way that it's just chef's kiss. Now let's talk about what makes it special, the self-improving skill loop. This isn't just a chatbot, it's a self-evolving AI employee. When you give Hermes a task it's never done before, it doesn't just try, it writes a custom skill recipe for that process. The next time you ask, it pulls that saved recipe and executes it even better. It is learning from you in real time, and you can watch the transparency behind every tool call it makes. This thing is growing faster than almost any open source project in history, and because it's built by hackers for hackers, it's pro-local model and obsessive about tinkering. I'm talking about running this on your own hardware, your DGX Spark, or even pushing the limits on mobile setups via Termix. It works across all your main messaging platforms, Telegram, Discord, and Slack included, through a single gateway. We need to talk about its advanced memory systems. Most agents lose context the second you close the tab, but Hermes uses holographic memory. This is a fully local SQLite database. No data leaking to the cloud, no paying for vector embeddings. It extracts fact at the end of every session. It remembers your name, your favorite color, and your complex project dependencies without you having to repass the same 1000 lines of swap every time. And that's amazing, because it avoids the context rot that kills other agents. Now, this is where we go full mad scientist. The Kanban board orchestrator, this is the biggest release recently, because it allows you to run multiple AI agents in parallel through a visual interface. You are not just watching one terminal. You are managing a swarm. You can have a researcher digging into stock prices, an analyst finding gaps in the data, and a writer drafting the report, all working simultaneously on their own specialist profiles. It even takes screenshots of its own internet browser to debug itself. It's like a window into the future. Finally, we hit the ultimate level, the MCP server. You can turn your Hermes agent into a backend for other agents like Cloud Code. Why would you do this? Remote approval gates. Imagine Cloud Code wants to run a destructive operation on your VPS while you are out on a date. It sends a ping to your phone via Hermes Discord gateway. You just tap approve or reject from your mobile and the agent continues its work. This creates a walk-away mode. You start a massive refactor in Cloud Code, close your laptop, and get progress pings on your phone. If a bug report lands in Discord, you can tell Claude through Hermes to diagnose it and reply without ever opening your laptop. By exposing Hermes as an MCP server, you give Claude access to your entire authenticated Word, Slack, Telegram, and your local file structure. This isn't just about coding, it's about building autonomous infrastructure. Whether you are setting up native cron jobs to back up your entire system to GitHub every night, or spinning researcher spin up researcher swarms to hunt your next investment. Hermes agent is the most powerful tool I have ever touched. It's extensible and frankly, it's insane. It maintains state persistence across every device, meaning your swarm keeps working even when you are offline. Get your own VPS, log in, and start building. The swarm doesn't sleep.